This is one of the more complex backyard makeover we've done. This used to be a small deck with a staircase leading up all the way to the bottom level here. We had to build it out with these different terraces in order to create about an 800 square foot ipe, that's Brazilian walnut deck up here. We had the retaining walls separating the spaces, and then down below we put a sitting area with a fire pit and a fan on that side. We've got a full outdoor kitchen on the left side. We have a big dining area in between. And we added a powder room into the cabana out there, so you can actually use the restroom down there without having to go into the house whenever you're enjoying the backyard. Took a while, it was a lot of mud, a lot of rain we got hit by, but came through, and this is what it looks like today.